Hi, break time, and I made myself some smoothie. The best. So whenever I feel like I need some sweet, some kick for my brain fog, so I make myself some, here you go, berry smoothie. I just have to add different kinds of frozen berries and then strawberries plus milk. And then on top of that, instead of using condensed milk or sugar, I use yogurt. Well, I highly suggest you use the vanilla flavored. It's the best. So here we go. Let's try it. It's healthy. It's healthy and delicious. Go, try it.